Hi, I'm Tim Sway, and as many of you know, I've been searching for the holy grail of guitar tone woods forever. I've searched everywhere within a reasonable driving distance looking for the perfect type of wood to make guitars from that sounds exactly right, environment expenses be damned. And I'm really happy to announce today that I have finally solved it. I have solved ToneWood. And here it is. Introducing ToneWood guitar pedals.
That's right, no longer do you need to buy guitars based on their specific wood. Now you can dial in that tone with ToneWood pedals, available in maple, mahogany, ash, and our patent-pending Dial-A-Tree multi-pedal that allows you to blend all your favorite tone woods your way. Each pedal features a staggering array of options, allowing the user to sweep and select multiple tree-based filters for infinite ToneWood possibilities. The maple pedal allows you to blend between bird's eye, quilted, and flame figuring using either an ambrosia or a spalted filter. A separate control allows you to dial up the toasting. Our ash pedal can be toggled between swamp ash and beetle kill with a grain selector that blends from quarter sawn all the way to riff sawn, and a subtle yet functional density boost. The mahogany pedal has a Spanish cedar simulator and sweeps between African and Honduran. An expression pedal can be attached and is sold separately. But the crown jewel is, of course, the multi-pedal with our patented Dial-A-Tree selector. Not only does this pedal allow you to sweep and combine up to 5 different wood species, it also allows you to decide how book-matched you want the grain to be and dial in your precise level of finish with our nitrocellulose lacquer simulator. And now this pedal features an added extinct filter from the traditional endangered circuit.
I can't share the entire building process with you right now because obviously there's a lot of really high-tech scientific stuff happening and some proprietary design issues, but this is basically how the ToneWood pedals are created.
We start by obsessively selecting each piece of wood based on sonic properties, look, smell, taste, and emotional content. Once we've selected the perfect tone wood, our skilled woodworking technicians use a mix of traditional old world practices as well as state-of-the-art technology to bring each piece of wood to its optimal tonal size and weight, carefully checking along the way at each step. Once the block is perfectly tuned, it is ready for electrification, and our electrical engineering department applies our proprietary biohacking circuitry to extract the tone from the wood and send it right to your amplifier using true bypass circuitry.
Allow me to demonstrate. Take this guitar, for example, which, as you can see, is made of plastic with very little wood in it, so therefore it can't have any tone at all, see? No matter what you do, no matter where you put the pickup, there's no tone. But watch what happens when I turn on the mahogany ToneWood pedal. Suddenly this guitar sounds like a guitar with tone. Turn off the Spanish cedar simulator. There we are. Hear all that? World of difference. Let's check out the maple one. So on this maple ToneWood pedal, we can sweep between figuring, quilted, bird's eye, flame, and we can also add how much toasting we want with this knob right here. And you'll also see we have an ambrosia / spalted bypass, so we can choose which one we want. Let's check it out. Right now I'm going to dial in a light toasting and lean towards flame. Watch what happens when I turn the toasting up. Woo! Oh wait, I'm on spalted. I want it to be on ambrosia. toasting off and you hear the difference. Bird's eye, and I think we're ready to go. Now the ash pedal is really unique because we can choose grain orientation here. We can go all the way from quarter sawn to riff sawn, and then this is a density meter. It's a little bit more subtle, but you'll really hear the difference when we crank that density up. And then we also have this filter to toggle between swamp ash and beetle kill ash, and I prefer beetle kill ash because that's, you know, it's pretty exciting when a tree goes extinct. Let's have a listen. Right now I have density all the way down and I am quarter sawn, and I'll show you what it sounds like. Now let's turn the density up and you'll hear it's a little bit subtle, but listen closely. But when you add quarter sawn and you go all the way to riff sawn, now listen. Oh yeah. Let's take it off beetle kill. I mean, you can smell the difference even. But the most innovative pedal in the lineup, and by innovative I mean the most expensive, is this ToneWood Pedals Dial-A-Tree patented system that we've been developing for years in secret. So this is real special because we have a blend knob here where we can choose between 5 different woods. This pedal features walnut, wenge, poplar, ebony, and Sitka spruce. And then we also have, of course, we can dial how much book matched we want, and we can dial how much nitrocellulose finish we want here. Those are standards. And then this toggle is new this year. We can toggle between endangered and extinct. So let's stick with extinct today, and we'll see if we can blend some stuff in. So a reminder, the way this pedal works is this button here actually turns on everything, and then this one just flashes because, well, this is all bullshit. That's a pretty generic wenge and poplar blend with a little bit of walnut, but now we'll sort of bring it up into the Sitka spruce side, and you hear it. Turn the flashing light off. Now check it out. A lot cleaner, right? And if we put just the flashing light on, hear how it really tells the story? It's still whispering to me. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, there it is. Shut up! So as you can clearly hear, the ToneWood game has forever been changed thanks to me. I alone have solved it. I can do anything, and I did it right here with the ToneWood pedals. They're available for pre-sale beginning April 1st, and they're available nowhere else except through me. April 1st is when you can start ordering these. Rollout will be anytime in the next 18 to 24 months. We are doing financing plans because they're really expensive. But that doesn't matter because this is what you need to sound like the best guitar player ever. Don't worry about practice. Just get one of these. April 1st, newperspectivesmusic.com, ToneWood pedals.